Okay, first one of the day is this lovely rolled Enfield 650. This is in for a full Monty valet with the added ceramic on it. He's a bit concerned. The engine cases have got some marks on them here and there. He has kept it pretty clean, I must say. But we're going to see if we can get a few of those marks out. A bit more prevalent on this side. So we're going to do a full valet on this. Get all the spokes, all the wheels cleaned up, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish on this bodywork. It's got a few marks here and there. And then we're going to get the Ultimaxx ceramic on. I'll probably take these spindles off, give them a good old polish. They're a bit corroded. Other than that, she's in pretty good shape, well looked after. Let's get cracking. Okay, she's thoroughly washed, degreased and blow dried. Just having a little go at these engine cases. They are a nightmare on these because they're not the best of quality. So what I have to do is I lightly sand them. I've just taken off those screws. See all that build up of crap that's in there. So we're gonna, got my old flex machine out with my little attachment. I'm gonna get in there, see if I can polish those out. We will polish up these screw heads as well before we get some XCP on it. Same with these covers on this side. Like I said, I've lightly sanded them. And now we're going to buff them up, get some shine back into them before we put the XCP on. There you go, 3 hours and 15 minutes. This rolled Enfield 650 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my goodness, took a bit of effort on this one. This had a one of our legendary full works valets, which includes the Ultimaxx ceramics. This had a Snowfoam safe wash to loosen up any contaminants, degrease all the old XCP off of the rear spokes. Luckily, Enfield put stainless spokes on their bikes and no corrosion whatsoever. Degreased all the old chain lube off, blow dried everything afterwards, making sure to remove any moisture from your switch gears, etc. All up underneath the seats, been cleaned and wiped down. We then misted everything with the XCP corrosion protection, the XCP clear all over your motor, all down the front. Your little oil cooler lines there that were all corroded, I've given them a good old rub down. Everything's had a little extra coating of XCP, all your banjo bolts, caliper nuts, etc. with the XCP orange. We then got down to some polishing. These engine cases are not the best of quality, so we have to lightly sand them first. We then cracked on with a bit of polishing, took out all these screws. Every single one's been polished. Done the best I can with them. Like I said, it's not the best quality metal, but they look pretty good now. All those have been polished, both sides, including the rocker covers, all had a nice little mint up. We then did a two-stage machine polish on the tank, just trying to remove any imperfections. Had a few marks on it here, which I've managed to remove. And then we prepped it and treated to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro, which is a 5-year ceramic. The gloss on that, look at it, it is absolutely on point. I can eat my breakfast off of it, which I haven't had yet. It's 1 o'clock, it's time for some lunch. Anyways, all done, 3 hours, 15 minutes. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give me a buzz at 07966 249 963.